Alright, looks like we were all getting a little annoyed because we're trying not to fall into the mud. And... damn, that was totally ninja. Okay. I have managed to do this without my hands so far. But that is about to change because I need my hands for this.
It went so fast I couldn't see where it went.
It was like lightning. That's how fast it was. And I think I'm allergic to this kind of stuff. I don't know. I have no idea. Alright.
Let's slide.
Yeah.
Be careful.
What? What?
Okay. Not like that. Just be sure to hold on tight.
Look at that. That's what we're trying not to fall into, audience. End of the episode.